today I attended their live workshop. It was a really fun experience to hang out with everybody, learn a lot.
It was a very interactive section and I gained a lot of experience in here.
This was an online course which we studied, and today we have attended the one-day workshop, which was very nice experience, communicating with all our team members and doing all the stuffs. It was a good experience overall.
The workshop took around 6 to 7 hours, but every second is really best. ఈ వర్క్షాప్లో నేను గత 1 month నేర్చుకున్నదల్లా ఇవాళ మొత్తం ప్రాక్టికల్గా చేశాను. ఇవాళ నాకు కొత్త నెట్వర్క్స్ నేర్చుకున్నా. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అర్థమైనాయి. ఇక్కడ వేరే వేరే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు నాకంటే పెద్ద ఏజ్ వాళ్ళు, కానీ ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు. వాళ్ళ యూఎక్స్లో, వాళ్ళ లైఫ్లో వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా ఇట్లాంటి స్టెప్స్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ ద వర్క్షాప్, ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ అదర్ పీపుల్ எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அண்ட் பில்டிங் யுவர் நெட்வொர்க்.
என்னுடைய நேம் ராதாகிருஷ்ணன். நான் ஆஸ்பிராவில் ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன். எதுக்குன்னா, நான் என்னுடைய ஃபீல்டே பாஸ்ட் ஒரு 12 இயர்ஸாக என்னோடய ஃபீல்டு வேறு. இப்போது இந்த டிசைனிங் இதில் ஆஸ்பிராவில் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்ட அப்புறம் எனக்கு ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட் வந்துடுச்சு. எஸ்பெஷலி ராம் சாரோடைய ட்ரைனிங், அவர் டீச் பண்ணுற விதமே வந்து கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ யாருக்குமே அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகாத ஒரு இதை கூட அவர் ஷார்ட்டாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு கொஞ்சம் எவ்வளோ ஈஸியாக லேர்ன் பண்ண முடியும் அந்த அளவுக்கு ஈஸியாக லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டுருக்காரு.
First of all, thank you for this opportunity, for this comprehensive workshop. So it helped me to understand the entire workflow of what is expected and what I need to do. So it was overall very good, and I really appreciate the opportunity given to me. Thank you for that.